So good afternoon, YouTubers. Well, it's been a couple days and we've been kind of crazy, you know, a typical work week. Right now, currently driving home because, as you'll see in videos I'm going to edit into this, we're getting some things done today. Not a whole lot. Bird got off work before I did, and he got some work done to Inferno. I don't really think he got any work done to Soundwave. And of course he forgot to record. So, you know, here I am trying to play catch up. Today he went and got some metal so he can cut out the sections of frame that he plans on rebuilding, and got that all marked up and figured out. So probably this weekend, maybe tomorrow night, we're going to start doing that. Bear with me because we are in Amish country and I have Amish people that don't pay attention to, you know, oncoming traffic. So bear with me if I randomly just stop talking and start paying attention a little more, because people tend to not pay attention to Amish out here from around where we are. The shop is in a little town called Orwell, well, technically Colebrook. So our road that the shop is on is all Amish. Very nice people, very loving people. Cracks me up because they are super obsessed with Jeeps. So there's that. But anyways, he went and got that tubing today, the pieces of metal, so he can cut out the frame, and so we can restart and go from there. Hopefully by Monday we will have that all welded in and put together like he wants. So this coming weekend we're going to have some videos coming up. It is Labor Day weekend, which means September Southington. We're going to be off-roading probably Saturday and Sunday. You'll get some videos of us probably mixed together all into one, is how we're looking to do that one. Just a typical work week, you know. So I am going to edit in the little bit of craziness of my loving fiance and a bammer giving me a heart attack like he normally does. And I'm going to get off the phone because obviously there was a funeral and or church, and I have Amish absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to get off of here and pay a little more attention to what I'm doing. So enjoy the craziness that is my loving fiance. It is the shenanigans of the channel. This is what I've been talking about.
Yeah.
It's all getting cut off anyhow, kids.
Now he puts it down.
But now I just see that you're able to record it.
This. Oh, right there.
I see what you're doing.
Replacing both rear sections of the frame.
Carefully.
I know.
Nah, we're gonna do it with a plasma
Seen
cutter.
it once I was No. Made sure I
Not
was
right,
gonna
just
do
cut
it
off wheel.
that way.
From this. Okay?
Hey, I can't beat 70% off.
Right. But
What the hell
this
is that?
goes over
Probably somebody beeping at the TA.
this. Okay? Fits on top.
Yeah. That's what you're planning to do with the other one, right?
Right. This one.
It's the side.
So I have to cut these on the seams and beat them around to
No.
hit that frame.
See what happens? We're putting things in holes and beating them around.
Hey.
Anyway, I just enjoyed the tagging for Facebook, and it was me standing there with the screwdriver on.
Oh yeah, that was funny.
So tomorrow, when I get off work, I'm going to bring my ass up here, stop it right here, literally right on the side of the bolt hole. I'll do it on both sides. Nope, this is all gone. I'm going to cut it right here, straight down, do it on both sides. This whole rear frame section will be gone.
That's just to keep the mud out.
Yeah.
Pregnant.
And I gotta clean up the rest of the frame.
I forgot my hat today, so I bought one.
Okay.
Hi.
Kids.
Kids.
She's recording for
I know.
YouTube. The interweb.
Yeah, you're enjoying it. So it's like this fun.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Look what she did to our Jeep, guys.
No.
Looks pretty good.
It's got kind of color, but I made mistakes because I took red rags and tried to clean the hood of my Jeep, and now I've got fuzzies everywhere, so I'm not happy. But hey, I got one whole side painted. So there. I was trying to make this about Inferno, but he turned it around on me. So here we are.